Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video of Amazon Basics Mini Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Along with that, I will also do the unboxing of Aux Cable. First, I'll do the unboxing of Bluetooth. I bought this from Amazon for 1599. So here it comes, the package. Here they mentioned Amazon Basics Mini Portable Bluetooth Speaker. So I can see a booklet here. Just a basic information about the product. Here I can see purple color Bluetooth speaker, and this one is a carry pouch. I also have a micro USB cable for charging. This one is a pouch, soft and also good quality. And this is the speaker itself. So let it be here. I'll do the unboxing of aux cable as well. So this is the Boat 3.5 mm male to male aux cable. So this is necessary if you want to connect your speaker with the phone using wire. Okay, let's get back to our mini Bluetooth speaker. This is the speaker. On the top we have volume button up, volume button down, and this one is a function button. So this is used to pair this device with using Bluetooth to another device, and also this button is used to answer the call, reject the call, as well as ending the call. And this is the LED and Bluetooth. And on the front here we have a microphone. So just so you know, this speaker can also be used to take and receive the call. This phone contains the this speaker contains the microphone. And here we have power button. This is aux cable. So this aux cable can be connected, and this micro USB port, this on and off button. So, and this one is very convenient to carry around. It's highly portable and also quite lightweight. Let's try to connect the speaker using Bluetooth to my phone. I'll turn on the speaker. I can see blue light is blinking. That means this device is ready to pair. So I'll go to my settings. If you can notice, my phone has recognized this device, that is nothing but Amazon BT2. So I'll tap on this. It says it's pairing, and it says it's connected. Let's try to run some music. Make sure you keep the volume button of your phone to the max. And also now the sound is coming from the speaker. I'll just try to increase the volume, and you can see it's a huge noise. It It's a huge sound, and the sound is crisp and beautiful to listen. I think this is the maximum sound. I think this is the maximum sound. Sound quality is pretty good. So I'm reducing the sound. I'm reducing the sound. And also the sound of the speaker is awesome.
A pause is for camaraderie. Because life is in the pause.
It will just fill the entire room.
Things that truly matter. Black Dog sparkling water. Let the world wait.
What do you see?
Sand.
Imagine if we could look so closely, we could see each grain, each particle. You see, there are patterns in everything.
Intervals, infinite series. I've never seen anything like that. From an Indian clerk, ill-educated in Madras, I would very highly value any advice you give me.
Letter for you. Just not England.
Yours truly, S. Ramanujan.
What does the S stand for?
Didn't ask himself. For the good of everybody, you should.
And you can notice there is no lagging.
Publish.
Every time when I fast forward the timeline,
I just do.
You don't pull a stunt.
God speaks to me.
There are no proofs. We're just supposed to take him at his word.
so the Bluetooth connectivity is just awesome. What we do is we'll just try to see the calling feature of the speaker. Phone call to my friend and see the calling feature.
So almost is 7 months or 8 months old there.
Okay, do you have any cartridges? It's like a color cartridge or just black and white?
It's color for color printer.
Okay, so what's your final price?
Warning I mentioned around 3000.
That calling feature of the speakerphone is awesome. And now we just try to connect using aux cable. Now I'll disconnect the Bluetooth. Okay, I'll connect one part of the aux cable, 1 to 3.5 mm jack. While connected using the aux cable, I'll just try to play a song. It's working perfectly with the aux cable. So overall guys, this Amazon Basics mini Bluetooth portable speaker is awesome for 1500 bucks, and it's just awesome. There is no flaws or disadvantage I found this in this speaker. So if you want to buy this speaker as well as this aux cable, I have given the direct link in the description below. Bluetooth speaker is available in multiple colors like black, grey and purple. There's also a mini version called micro Bluetooth speaker from Amazon Basics, and the only difference is that it does not contain microphone, and it's available in white, black, blue and grey with the price of $999, which is lower compared to earlier mini Bluetooth speaker which is 1599.